Hello everyone, I'm here today with another video tutorial. I will be showing you how to install Proxmox hypervisor on a Windows device. For this purpose of the training, I am using VirtualBox. In order to download VirtualBox and the Proxmox, I go to virtualbox.org, click on download, and from here you get Windows hosts. There you go. You'll search Proxmox. The website is proxmox.com. When you enter the website, you will have the download links on the downloads page. The latest version currently is 8.3.5, which was released on April 8th. So when you click on download, you'll download the ISO file. I've already downloaded these two, so I'll just pause them here and get started. So first of all, you open the Oracle VirtualBox. So we'll have to create a new virtual machine. Let's name it Proxmox. At this field, you choose the location of your virtual machine and then the ISO image, which we downloaded from the Proxmox website. Just a quick note here, the type you should use Linux, and the subtype will be other Linux. Then other Linux 64-bit. Then you click on next. You will need to specify the amount of RAM and CPU. For this training, I'll be giving 2 gigs of RAM and 2 cores of CPU. The amount of disk space, I'll be giving 12 gigs. It looks like we are ready. So when you click on finish, you come back to the main page, and then you have to click on start for the virtual machine to get started. Okay, virtual machine is booting up. Okay, you'll come to the first page. So the first choice is install Proxmox VE graphical. That's the one we're going to be using today. We'll have to wait for the virtual machine to boot completely into the installation environment. Okay, this stage press OK. Then I agree. So this is the hard drive we've specified. That's 12 gigs we already given to it. Click on next. Click on next. And then you choose your country. Choose your keyboard. Choose the time zone. Click on next. You enter the password. This will be the password of the root account to your Proxmox hypervisor. Enter the email address. This will be the host name of the device, so we'll be putting proxmox.local, and then IP address, gateway, DNS. These are all picked up from the DHCP server. And then you can view what's the summary of the installation. Then click on install. I will pause the video here. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the resources amount allocated to the virtual machine. As I have given only 2 gigs of RAM and 2 cores of CPU, this will take more time for the installation. Okay, we're back. After reboot, you'll come back to the screen of the installation, so we'll have to eject the ISO file. So you go devices, optic drives, remove drive from virtual machine. Then we'll do a reboot. Okay, Proxmox is loading up. Okay, done. We are finished with the installation. Now, to log in to the Proxmox virtual environment, we'll have to open our browser and navigate to the address. So the address is https 10.0.2.15 port 8006. 0.2.15 port 8006. Here, so we then click on advance, continue, then we are redirected to the login page. And then we use the username is root, the password we specify while we're doing the installation. Then you click on login. I want to save that. It's fine. So here is our Proxmox hypervisor installed on a Windows platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.